I'm just trying out a template for the bridge over the little pond. All I've done is I've got a long piece of wood of random length and offcut. I marked it with a green line, with a line at approximately the line it would need to turn through to get it from coming out in line with the buttress to being in the right angle to go tangentially across the water. I then halved that angle, cut it. You can just about see the green angle line there. So I halved the angle that it was needed to turn through, cut it on the saw, and then when you flip the piece of wood over, you get it back to the angle it needs to turn through. Simple as that, really, in order to get it running there. It's an approximation, because the bridge may well not be that wide when completed, because it might only be the track bed width, and whether or not, well, what I've got to try and work out is if I can have a straight section in the middle for the unsupported part of the bridge, which is going to be over the water. So the bit that flies over the water, and then curved approach to the bridge. So on this wood I've got to lay out the track and see how the track runs from the curved buttress approach at either end onto a curved part of the trestle bridge, but leading into a straight section in the middle, which will be some form of span, single span across the water. That's it, really. Step back a bit more, and we'll see how we get on with that. A bit more of a video, because what I think I've worked out is that the straight section will be along this part of the wood, because then the curved part will be curving round in this part here. So the maximum curve I can get in that width is a curve that starts at this corner and curves over to that corner, then a straight section along there, and then the maximum curve I could get on that one is one that starts at that corner and curves around to that corner, because that's the way the curve is going to go, straight along there, and then it will go across there. And if I've got it wrong, then this template I've made isn't made out of wood that is wide enough. And so now, if the ends of this are approximately perpendicular to the buttresses at either end, I think they are, then I can actually take it inside to do a little bit of sample track laying, well, just track layout on there to get the curves. Let's see how that works.